So, good morning everyone. So, I am Alvin Angot. I am from the Line 7 reporter. So, my topic is all about multiculturalism influences. So, what is multiculturalism? So, multiculturalism, it talks about many different cultures in the society. So, how it influenced, and now we're gonna talk about multiculturalism influence and on society. The concept of multiculturalism has a substantial role in shaping human sexuality as it emphasizes the wide range of sexual ideas, practices, and identities observed within various cultural settings. This promotes the development of knowledge and admiration for diverse cultures, norms, and values pertaining to sexuality. So it says that the idea of multiculturalism helps us to understand and respect the many different ways that people think about and experience sexuality across different cultures, ideas, and practices. So for example, in the other country, so they have same-sex marriage. In their culture, it is illegal. It is legal, but in our culture, it becomes taboo or illegal. So we don't celebrate it. Some cultures in Muslims, in their religion, the men in there is they can nakakapag-asawa sila ng marami, while in the other culture hindi sila nakakapag-asawa ng marami dahil bawal sa kanilang religion. Multiculturalism often serves as a means to challenge the ethnocentrism and foster inclusivity and acknowledging the diverse range of sexual orientation, sexual roles, relationships, and that exist within the different cultural contexts. So, the multiculturalism challenges the ethnocentrism. So, what is ethnocentrism? So, ethnocentrism, it is the belief that one's own culture is the best. So, kumbaga, they're one-sided or they don't recognize other culture. They don't appreciate, they don't want the other culture, they don't view as their like or whatever is that. So, but because of multiculturalism, we can move away from this belief, from being the best from our own belief. So, and it fosters inclusivity. So when you say inclusivity, so this environment means creating an environment where everyone is welcome and accepted, no matter their differences. If they are LGBTQ, kahit baka sila tomboy, or what they are, what they believe, what they practice. So, the influence of multiculturalism, human sexuality contribute to the development. It's more open-inclusive to open-minded. Acknowledging the diverse range of experience and identities present throughout the worldwide human population. Because of multiculturalism, it means the society becomes more inclusive. When you say inclusive, it talks about the environment where everyone is welcome and open-minded. So the society becomes open-minded. They consider different ideas, the opinion, and they do not judge people easily or quickly. So, in conclusion, multiculturalism influence society. This helps us to understand and respect many ways, different way that people express their sexuality. So that's all. Thank you.